Hello, this is a 4-bedroom mansionette, all ensuite. Now, this is the ground floor plan. As you can see, this is the ground floor plan. The grids are there, and also the elevations and the section. Now, I don't want to take you all through that. I just want to take you through the flow of the plan. Now, from foreporch, you get into your foyer. Between the foyer, on your right is the common washroom under the stairs, whereby your guests can release and ease themselves there. Then, on your left, you have the dining, which is open, which is connected to the open kitchen, which is open towards the dining but not towards the sitting room. Now, on the further end of your left, you get the pantry and the back porch, and the neighbor of the pantry is the laundry. Then we have the guest bedroom, which is ensuite. Then we have the double volume lounge, which is set to be around 16 to 18 seats. Yeah, that is a double volume kind of lounge that we have here. We have a lobby. This lobby leads you to the other accessory, like it acts like the corridor of this house. Now, on the first floor, we have the master bedroom on your left. Just after stairs, you get your master bedroom. Then, on the further end, you get bedroom 3. All of them are all ensuite, with master bedroom having the walk-in closet. Then, we have a small room there, a coffee room, or can be changed into prayer room or a games room. Then, we have a family room, then a void over there. Yes, this is the design that we are working on at the moment. Our numbers are on the screen: 0742 310 678. That is our number. We design, we build, and also we construct. We are registered contractors under NCAA 5, and are not limited to only construction. We also do the BOQ. We have a registered quantity surveyor. We have registered engineers. We have registered architectures. So when we are telling you we design, we know what we are telling you, because we know what should be where and how, without affecting the quantity and the quality of the house. This project is estimated to cost 6.975. So I will advise client who is interested in this plan to have 7 million cash, so that this project can flow as planned. Yes, I know somebody might be asking, when did Skynicro Builders start? Skynicro Builders, the history behind it began in 2018 as Godwill Constructors Agency, and later on registered under the name Skynicro Builders, that is in 2024 April. And also, we have worked in several projects from 2018. We have worked in different small and mega projects. You can go through our pages you can click on Skynicro Builders on our Facebook pages, Facebook accounts, and also Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. You'll see a lot of projects that we have handled from then till to date. Last year we had a lot of projects, and we appreciate God for that. And also this year, we are hoping that you are going to be a home owner, not a tenant. We also have kind of ROA, that is risk on investment kind of plans that we are sure that if you get in touch, we can brainstorm on them together, so that you get how to invest on your finances without any kind of affecting any kind of plans that you have maybe on your future retirement plans. And also, for you to build your home, we always advise clients that building is different from planning. Is different from planning in terms of payments, but is part of building. Designing is part of building in terms of process and the plan. Now, it's not advisable for you to go into site because you know a fundi somewhere, or your brother is a fundi or is a foreman. Then you go to site with them saying that provided you are my brother, you are a fundi, now you can. No, this is an investment of millions of money, and it will not need just a mediocrity in the field. It will not need kind of just works. Let's just work for the sake of work. This is something that your life is on, your family life is on. So it's advisable you come into an agreement with either one-stop contractor or a different expertise in different fields, so that you come with one conclusive decision. That's just a small advice in this process. Two is, in our building and construction, we don't charge a full amount once. We charge them into installment or into per stage. That is, when you're doing foundation, we charge you foundation. When you're doing walling, we charge you walling. When you're doing slabbing, we charge you slabbing. If you're doing finishing, we just charge you finishings. Now, I know you might be asking now, if finishing, we charge you finishing. What about projects that has already been started and stalled? Can you pick it from there? Yes, we do pick, but we have to know three things. What is the structural element? Where is the structural plan? Where is the architectural plan? What was the responsibility for those who are here? Why are they not here? Now, this is the plan that we're working on. This is the final render. You can see how it looks like. This is our render. And this is our render. This is what we did from our office. This is from one office. Now we took it outside so that it can have a clear view.